in the short term, there will be tremendous amount of pain. There will be challenges, no question about it, and people will have to take certain decisions and to sustain, to survive. There will be a lot of consolidation in the business. So that's definitely there. So keeping that context, I think there is a tremendous amount of cultural shift that is going to happen in the way we live, the way we work, and the way we entertain ourselves. And our business, specifically real estate, is related to all three. Because of that cultural shift, businesses will have to quickly recalibrate and reimagine the way they are functioning, the way they are operating across the value chain. And only if you are able to do that will you come on to the other side. And when you do, of course, sky is going to be the limit, because my view is India is the only other alternate growth engine in the world. 2 points here. One is that technology is actually looked at as only piece of the digital space, or one piece of the function. Technology is actually across organization, and people will have to upskill themselves on a constant basis on the technology piece, which will include construction, which would include sales, marketing, it would include finance, it would include all of the functions. So technology is going to be constant in the space, and upskilling is going to be constant in the space. So you will have to look at people more than skills, I would say attitude and ability to constantly upskill themselves and be dynamic in their thinking, because as we've discussed and we've seen it, we've been 10 years into this whole ups and downs and the disruption that's been going on with the sector. Is the new way of the business cycles becoming shorter. It's less than 3 years now we are talking about. So ability to upskill and technology across functions is going to be something that people are going to definitely look at. In the medium term, in the long term, there is definitely business, and the country's outlook is definitely positive as we continue. Having said that, HR is going to play one of the most significant roles in the short and the medium term for the businesses, because business will expect very high productivity from every employee, because the businesses in the current environment are going to go through a lot of change. Performance measurement of the productivity is going to be extremely important, and the markets, the way they are going to be very challenging to put that matrix in place, even for assessment. So from that point of view, HR is going to have to work along with the business to align the entire organization to come together, because organization is going to go through a lot of change, because business will go through a lot of change. And when that alignment happens and the organization comes together as a team, is the only way that you would be able to come out of this in a much stronger and a positive way, and you'll be able to really multiply your growth when you come out on the other side. There is a significant amount of work ahead of us, and we will have to make sure that we take care of our people and take them along and align them as a part of the organization's goals, which are going to be in the short term constantly evolving. There is great amount of work for us to cut out together.